guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make Quinoa Sambar recipe in a pressure cooker. Quinoa Sambar recipe is a very easy recipe and healthy, especially for people who have diabetes. So let's see the ingredients and start. To start off, first I have tur dal 1 cup and quinoa 3 cups, and they've been soaking for almost half an hour. Now let's start to make our quinoa sambar recipe. Add some oil, mustard seeds, cumin, red chilies, onions and garlic. Next, add tomatoes. Add some salt for the onions and tomatoes to cook. Mix it. I have some vegetables over here. I have carrot, beans, peas, and drumstick. Time to add the masalas. Some hing, some turmeric, some sambar powder. Give a mix. Add some curry leaves and mix it. Make sure not to smash anything. I've been sauteing the vegetables for almost 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in measured water. For 1 cup of quinoa, we're gonna add 3 cups of water. Let the water come to a boil. Almost all the food need, we're gonna add that in, which is Mr. Salt. Oh yeah, salt to taste though. It's now boiling. Let's add a little bit of tamarind water. Now let's add the quinoa and tur dal. Cover it and cook it for 3 whistles. Now our quinoa sambar is ready. I'm going to open the cooker. Nice and hot. For the final touch, I'm going to add some few cilantros and some ghee. That's all, our quinoa is ready. It smells good. This is a very healthy and easy recipe. You guys have to try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe Shami's Kitchen. Bye!